Hey guys, welcome back to Nerd Chic. I wanted to do a real quick tutorial because a friend of mine asked how to turn off the waiting room inside of first your desktop, and then I'm going to do a separate tutorial on turning off the waiting room inside of your phone if you're using it. So inside your desktop, I'm inside of Zoom here on the Zoom software, and the meeting's going. You can see there's my video. I've got it blanked out. Here I am. Hey! Okay, so anyways, that was freaky, right? But here you go. It's security. See this security right here? Click this, look. So security, enable waiting room. Let's turn the waiting room off. You have disabled the waiting room, and now there's no waiting room. It's naturally turned on now as a security feature, but when you start your Zoom, just go in and turn it off. If you want it on, again, it's security, turn it on. But for what I would do is turn it off as well. So anyway, that should answer that question. If you have any other questions or tutorials, put it in the comments. I'll do something for you. And again, don't forget to subscribe to Nerd Chic and give us a thumbs up, a like, and a good comment.